Yo, it's Lilith. I made a yungfazo preset. I did Bring It Back, and then I did All in Motion. This is Bring It Back. This is the original song.
She do it, and I know, yeah, you should let her be assets. Let's go. You know I'm putting you on so I can't go. Every time I put it on for head 10 toes, they get your eyes moving slow.
Now this is my song with the preset song.
She do it, I know, yeah, and she let me assets. Let's go. You know I'm putting you on so I can't go. Every time I'm putting it on from head to toe. Look into my eyes, moving slow.
That was what I did on that one. That one's short, I know. This, the Beatmaster, $10. What it does is makes it so the beat has more room for your voice. That's all it really does. Okay, this is All in Motion. I did almost the full song. I just didn't have a hook again. I outplayed it or whatever. This original song, I'm gonna play a little bit of that. I'm gonna play the full thing of this. Okay, and this is with my preset on. She just wanna know why I got that luxury. If you wanna low, this shit ain't letting me. I pop my shit one time and it get too up. I pop my shit one time and it get too lit. Yeah, I'ma shoot my shot, little bitch, I ain't no assist. And I'm under the racks, okay, I run like this. And I'm slow motion, girl, it's slow motion, yeah. I bet I'm a grocery. I didn't mean to hold you, babe. I've been feeling broken. You just wait till it's intact. But I can't run this back. That's All in Motion. I'm gonna go through the presets, see what they do. This is obviously the main. Also, I stopped doing recording presets on this one because there's a formatted one, and you have to do that in auto-tune, so it's easier. But this is the main, you know, basic main. Yeah. This is the ad-lib for back, so a lot of delay, you know, on this part. That's what that is. This ad-lib is the one you hear in the background, like this. That's that one. Then, this one is the unformatted. I'm gonna switch to it real quick. So this is the formatted. And how you do this is you go into auto-tune. This will already be off. So you're gonna open auto-tune, and you're gonna go to the format, push this on, and put it all the way to 180 or 150. That's why I usually go to. But 180 for me works the best. And yeah, that's All in Motion. It's a yungfazo preset. I did one before, but this one's way better, so I figured, yeah. This master is $10. The bass is really crazy with it. This also makes it sound better on phones, like phone speakers. Yeah. And that's that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. It'll be in the Discord below. Yeah. If you have any questions, let me know. Peace.